The new BMW 5 is the epitome of a sporty business saloon. At very first sight, it conveys an impression of stylish athleticism that particularly expresses itself in the dynamic silhouette and reduced design language. Clear surfaces and precise contours lend the elegant exterior a modern, technical atmosphere. The elegant and functional interior completes the innovative ambition of the vehicle with future-oriented technologies and sporty features. In combination with impressive driving dynamics and innovative technologies, the 5 provides comfort, self-assuredness and, above all, a supreme level of sheer driving pleasures on journeys both short and long. Enthusiasts bemoan the 2022 BMW 5 Series for not delivering the same level of athleticism as past generations, but this spacious, comfortable, and well-equipped luxury car is still a compelling package. For one thing, there are 4 powertrains to choose from, ranging from a spunky turbo 4-cylinder all the way up to a brutish twin-turbo V8. A plug-in hybrid is also available for those who want to go green. The interior of the 5 Series is relaxed and ready to make light work of long commutes and road trips, especially when equipped with such options as massaging seats. The 5's technology offerings are up there with key rivals such as the Audi A6, the Genesis G80 and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, but the BMW no longer delivers the driver engagement that used to make it the clear choice for those who appreciate a car that feels wired to your nervous system. BMW has removed several optional features from the 5 Series order sheet for 2022, including the onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, the remote start feature, and wireless smartphone charging. The parking assistance and executive packages are now only available on the top-spec M550i model, and the Dark Graphite Metallic interior trim is no longer available. Smooth, powerful, and efficient, both the 4-cylinder in the 530i and the 6-cylinder in the 540i motivate this big sedan with authority. For 2021, the 540i's powertrain gains a little extra boost, care of a 48-volt hybrid system, which we have not yet tested. Each pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts intuitively and quickly, making the most of the available power. The 540i's 6-cylinder is silky smooth and potent, and it makes delightful noises. Apart from the top dog M5, which we review separately, the M550i is the athlete of the lineup, with a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 under its hood. In our testing, the M550i sprinted through our acceleration runs quicker than the Audi S6 and Mercedes-AMG E53, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. All 5 Series models are competent handlers, but they lack the kind of driving verve we expect from BMW. Steering feedback is light, and the ride, even in the performance-oriented M550i, appears to be tuned more for comfort than pure driving pleasure.